What's going on, y'all? We doing burgers today. Pork burgers to be specific. We gonna cook these down, add us some cheddar cheese, and I'll have mustard on mine. But anyway, let's get it. So first thing we gonna do, we gonna go ahead and rain on it with a little bit of salt, some of that green, fresh cracked pepper. Now I'm saying that for a reason, cause they have different flavors, y'all. So we gonna get that burger in the pan, rain on it with a little salt. Then we gonna add a little bit of that red peppercorn, y'all. The red peppercorn is a little bit more fruitier. Now once that's halfway done, we gonna give it a flippy flip. Now I started this burger first, so let me go ahead and give my wife 2 slices of that cheddar cheese on. Then I'll flip mine. Now I'm gonna have me a slice of cheddar and a slice of mustard. And of course, you know we had to cook some fries with it. I had to have them fried. So once we reach that internal temp of at least 160, let's go ahead and get them burgers off, y'all. That tasty pork, that tasty pork. And what's better on pork than some more pork? So let's get us 2 strips of bacon. And let's see what we got, y'all. Take a look at that burger. Oh my goodness. I'm ready to bite into this, y'all. This pork burger was so good, and the addition of that bacon just made it right. But anyway, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.